All right, hello everybody. Welcome back to the Teacher Kenneth Show. I'm your host, Teacher Kenneth. สวัสดีครับผมอาจารย์ Kenneth. Today we're going to learn about American slang. Slang America. Slang is informal. We use it with our friends, our family, not for business. Today's words that we're going to talk about are bucks, legit, my bad, a piece of cake, and zone out. Our first word today is bucks. 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 So what does bucks mean? These are bucks. Another word for bucks or a buck is a dollar, money, or cash. So in Thai, dollar ใช่ไหม money เงิน money and cash เงินสด okay, so what with bucks we're really talking about dollar or dollars. $1 is $1, $2 is $2. Example 1, I can't buy a new phone. I only have $50. I only have $50. Okay, so bucks is another word for dollars. Example 2. Let's pay the bill. Check bin. Let's pay the bill. How many bucks do you have? Number 3. I played the lottery and I won $500. So that's really good. You won a lot of money. Word number 2, legit. Here is a picture of legit. Other words for legit are authentic, real, great. So in Thai, te I'm not sure if I pronounced it right. And yot yam. So how do we use legit in a sentence? And let's practice that a couple times. Legit. Make sure you get the L sound, like loling. Legit. Legit. Sentence 1. You can trust him. He's legit. So he's honest. He's real. What he says is the truth. Number 2. My new speakers are legit. So my new speakers are great. They're really good. Dimak. My new speakers are legit. Number 3, Cristiano Ronaldo is legit. Nobody can stop him. I don't know a lot about football or soccer, as we call it in America. Ronaldo is famous. This is actually a phrase. If something is more than one word, so 2 words, 3 words, 4 words, we can call it a phrase. Okay, so my bad. Here's a picture of what that might look like. Can you guess what it means? I'm sorry. My mistake. ขอโทษ My mistake is ความผิด ความผิด flat ของฉัน I think I got that right. Sentence 1. My bad. I didn't mean to break your phone. I'll buy you another one. So I broke your phone. Sorry. My bad. It was an accident. Number 2. My bad. I thought class started at 8. So here we're saying, my bad. I was late to class because I thought class started at 8 a.m. not 8:30 a.m. In English, we can just say 8. We don't have to say AM or PM. We can just say 7, 8 if you understand it's AM or PM. You don't always need to say it. Okay, and the last one for my bad. We have Alex and Joe. Alex says, I can't believe you forgot to fill the gas. Joe says, sorry, man. My bad. So what we're saying here is Alex is upset. Maybe they ran out of gas. Their car has no gas. So maybe they're stuck on the road somewhere, or they don't have time to get gas, but they have to. And now they're going to be late somewhere because Joe forgot to fill the gas tank, or fuel or petrol for your car. Number 4, a piece of cake. A piece of cake. So everybody likes cake. Here's a piece of cake or a slice of cake. A piece of cake means it's easy. It's easy. Or in Thai, ngai, ngai. So easy. Because eating cake is easy. It's hard to stop eating cake, but it's easy to start eating cake because everybody likes cake. So example 1, the test was a piece of cake. The test was easy. Number 2, I thought running a 5K would be difficult, but this is a piece of cake. So I'm running a 5K and I think, hey, this is easy. This is not so difficult. This is a piece of cake. And the last one, Alex and Joe. Alex says, what did you think about the project at school? Joe says, oh, it was a piece of cake. The project was easy. It was easy. Number 5, zone out. Zone out. So here is a picture. This girl looks like she's all zoned out while her friend is reading. To zone out means to daydream. Daydream. Fan klang wan. Fan klang wan. I hope I said that right. Daydream. It just means to zone out. You're not paying attention. Sorry, can you repeat that? I zoned out. I zoned out. Number 2, make sure you don't zone out when the game starts. You always need to be ready. You have to pay attention. You have to be in the game. Your mind has to be ready. The last one, again, we have Alex and Joe. Alex says, how did you fail the test? It was a piece of cake. Joe says, oh, I zoned out. I started daydreaming and suddenly the time was up. So maybe Joe is thinking about what he's going to eat for dinner and he's not paying attention to the test. Okay, so that's going to be it for American slang. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. I will see you later. Bye-bye. By the way, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with a friend.